And then right now, the only problem with the CRZ is it's so clean.
We're just getting coffee.
We're just out here doing some rice stuff.
Good vibes.
Hey, do you like Audis? Audi's nuts.
Good morning to another rice vlog. We are currently behind a C350 that is going at its own pace.
All right, so we're 2 cars deep right now. Early morning to the coffee spot. I feel like we haven't done this in a while.
I feel like we haven't done this in so long, but we are getting coffee early morning. We're behind a prowler, and I think this was a bad move. This was a bad move. We'll just go behind this Audi. But yeah, it's been a while since we've done this. We're just getting coffee. We're gonna see if we're going to get breakfast, brekkie, and then what is the plan today? We have to do some editing. I have to get the next vlog out, and then the Bay has also. He's gonna be in the lab. He's gonna be in the lab.
I gotta get back to the lab. The lab.
Also probably gonna add this to the oil change video. The oil change video where I did the oil change a couple of months ago. But what did I say? After you're done with the repair, you better just drive it to make sure nothing's wrong, because you don't want to be trying to go to work and then now you can't go to work. Always test drive the vehicle, so we're doing the test drive right now. Or maybe I'll just add this driving to make it look like, you know, I'm doing the test drive right after. Let me do this again. To make it look like I'm doing the test drive right after the oil change. Yeah, I feel like a while ago we used to go out every weekend to get coffee and try and vlog. But I think lately I've just been in the lab doing my sick edits.
It rained yesterday out of nowhere, and now it is still a little bit cloudy, but not raining. Let's hope it stays that way, because just washed our cars and we want our cars to stay clean. It's looking like the clouds are going away though. This is also a new coffee spot. It is not the JDM coffee spot. So we'll see. We'll see if their coffee's good. We'll see if there's good vibes. Is that what they say now? Good vibes?
Yeah, probably if I'm able to get a pull here, a pull somewhere, but there's all these people. If I'm able to get a pull, I'll probably put that in the at the end of that oil change video that I'm still working on, that I did from several months ago. I guess not, never mind. Too many cars in the way to be doing rice stuff right now. Maybe we'll be able to do some rice stuff after we get the coffee. But I don't know what I'm even gonna do with this footage. Catch the shift? Maybe I'll add this in another day in the life of being rice. What did I say? Say, wake up, I tell you my routine. So we brush our teeth, stretch, and shut up. We're just out here doing some rice stuff. Follow the build. 1,000 horsepower, CRZ and MX-5 Black Series compressors. And we got that clicking sound from the rear on the MX-5 that I gotta figure out now. And then earlier this year, what is it? The oil cooler was leaking. And then we tried the Teflon tape. I'll probably already put that in another. I probably said that in the video that I'm gonna make soon about the oil cooler on the MX-5, and now there's a clicking noise coming from the rear. That only happens at slow speeds. And then right now the only problem with the CRZ is it's so clean. Actually, I gotta get the paint sorted out on my car. I'll probably put some shots here, right here, in this spot, location of the shots of the paint. No, but the paint's like, maybe I should do JDM patina. Okay, I'm repeating this again, but we're out to get the coffee, and then the Bay wants to get pastries. It's funny because I want to get that pull for the oil change video, but since right now I'm not in the present, and I don't know the future, but when I'm doing the edits, this will all be in the past. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. Will I be able to get the pull for the oil change video ending? We're not going to turn left here, right? We're going to turn left at the light. that answers that question. We better hurry up before those people show up. Well, I think I actually would have preferred to go to the light so we don't have to deal with all this traffic here and all the pedestrians. I can hear the bay. What pedestrians? It's the ones you don't know about. They could be short. Look, there's a pedestrian over there that I'm not getting on camera. Okay, at the coffee spot.
Coffee spot. We're about to do a JDM transition.
Man.
Do you like that JDM transition?
Sick. We just got this coffee. We're gonna try this. What is this? What did you get? Open. We're not gonna try this now. We're gonna head back to home base. Do you like the view of whatever this is?
Try that.
We're gonna try this. Oh, you're not gonna like it. I probably am.
That's cheese.
Oh, that's cheese? Oh, shoot. You're probably gonna like it. I might not now. Cheese and me don't really go well. And we got this croissant.
But you'll eat carne asada, right?
Yeah, but that tastes good. We're just gonna be out here for a second, enjoying this weather. Ooh. Here, enjoy that. Would have to stipulate that that's what it said. Time to head out. Head back home now before I have to hay.
Cut.
Oh, look at you trying to do like
Is it recording? Yay, it's recording.
sport mode. And it's connected to her phone again for some reason.
That was a pretty good bite of the croissant that we just got and the cold brew coffee. Pretty good, and they were pretty busy.
No, this is regarding that clicking noise. I looked under a car like a day ago and the clip for the right side parking brake cable was missing. How long it's been missing, I have no idea. So we have one on order. Shout out Flying Miata. Well, what's funny is, so the wife sent the email to Flying Miata and they told her, oh, we don't stock that. And then she called them and they're like, oh yeah, we have that. So they've sent us a couple of clips. Again, shout out Flying Miata. Because they're flying through the racetracks. Look, I know we'd make that green light. This guy wasn't here because we'd be doing legal street driving.
Oh yeah, so there has been a ticking noise at low speeds. We think it's from the rear brakes. We ordered some clips from Flying Miata, so it's gonna get delivered today, and then we're going to see if that solves the issue. It's weird. It's like a light, and then it's at slow speeds. Let's see. Well, hopefully those work. Probably filmed that, so. stay tuned for the next rice vlog. Hopefully it comes out later today, so we can enjoy the backyard. We just got a backyard. We want to enjoy. We want to live life, love life. Live life, love life. Oh no, we passed live life, love life.
But yeah, anyways, those clips actually should be in today. Maybe I'll get that on. Maybe I'll rice vlog it up.
Captain on the bridge.
While I install the right rear parking brake clip. Oh wow, what the heck? When was I so low on gas? It's probably because I'm always putting down the 1,000 horsepower. Okay, you know what? I feel like I'm not going to be able to get that pull for the oil change video. Because where are all these people coming from right now? It's rice o'clock right now. And there's so many people. But at least I get to hear my sick downshifts. Catch the shift.
Captain on
Oh,
the
here
bridge.
comes aggressive driving Audi. He did that kind of lane change, which I'll probably do one of my cheesy edits right here to display that style of lane change. Maybe I should ask him, hey, do you like Audis? Audi's nuts in your face.
Set sail.
But anyways, so that's just the regular morning right now. Just, picking up some coffee, getting some breakfast, the normal routine. Now we're gonna go work out. Shut up! Now it's gonna be back to the lab. Gotta get to the edits. The fans are like, where is Rev Match's rice vlogs? So I gotta put them out. I gotta get those rice vlogs going. For the fans. Oh, I can already see the stupid ass edit I'm gonna do for that. For the fans. I also just realized I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the pull for the oil change video. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh well. Or maybe. Catch the shift? Maybe we'll get it right here. I need to get a clip of me doing a pull for the oil change.
That is an excuse.
There's the pull for my oil change video.
For the video? Okay, for the video.
Rev meshed out.